Got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alex on the bottom and on top. Wonderful.
Oh no. Oh no.
I've only heard about this yesterday. I still haven't looked into it.
Does that mean everyone's just going to be intentionally pronouncing it wrong to save their ass?
I'm not sure what the correct answer, like what the correct move is. 2 packs of spot.
I think the first time I opened a pack of these, like a box of these, we got a 1-of-1 World of Warcrafts. But we haven't gotten a 1-of-1 since. We got like was it another World of Warcraft something numbered one?
We've had
But I don't remember if it was World of Warcraft or like Hearthstone. I don't know.
Sure. We had like a gem one. Was that the 1-of-1 that we're talking about?
No. We had, it was a pretty girl. I feel like she may have been from World of Warcraft.
You guys are on treacherous ground. You guys are on thin ice.
We have Kill Jaden. Oh, we have a War Banner for Protoss. We have a Soldier 76. And Deneth Trollbane. Henzo Shinada. Rock'n'Roll Racing. Oh. Velen in the silver. There's a Magda and Diablo and Zealot.
Magda's my Jeff the Landshark.
Magda's your Jeff the Landshark. No, but we've pulled multiple Magdas. We haven't pulled a single Jeff the Landshark.
There's never enough.
But if you want to see us pull a Jeff the Landshark, then I've got news for you. We have a Brand Bronzebeard Retro Arcade Collection. We have our first cube, which is Belial. We have Chen Stormstout, Adept, and a Hellbat. We have our first Hearthstone little booklet card and Rock'n'Roll Racing. Sombra, Zerg Warbanners. We have a Vala and another Magda. Clearly, one Magda isn't enough for this channel.
Very good. I miss when Magda was into Yu-Gi-Oh!
We have another Hanzo Shimada, a Roadhog, Lily, a Rakenroth, Siege Tank, and Anduin Rin. And there's Crown Zenith mini tins, which did lots of success for us in the past. That was the OG. We have Diva, Zagara. We have an Imperious cube. We have Tyrande Whisperwind. I feel like it was someone like her that we got it was like a 1 of 10 or a 1 of 15 or something. Lyric and Deckard Cain. What drink bottle do you have? It's just my drink bottle. It's just apparently too tall. There you go. No, it's actually a part of the brain.
I'm going to get a third camera just for drink cam.
Just for drink cam. It's an Oasis something that was on sale from some store in DFO. We have Jada Pradmore, Junkrat, Oh, we have a Soldier 76, I see you emote. Not one of the most fun ones I've seen, but like, you know, serious, is it a good one? It is pretty good. It's easy to drink out of, and it has a lock as well, so it won't like spill anywhere, which is great. We have Makenroth, Phoenix, and Vala. We have another Hearthstone Lilbook and a Mercy. Is this the year I finally do a Mercy cosplay? That's what I dream about doing one day. We have a Sigma, Ophia. We have a Lady Vasu in the silver. That one looks so good. Jaina Proudmoore, Kael'thas Sunstrider, and Nerzim Dark Templar. I'm doing bottle cam until I get Blake's feet cam. Oh God. Look, I feel like the thing here is you don't get feet cam for free. If anyone's giving out feet cam for free, they're doing it wrong.
I wasn't ready for that one. I'm so sorry.
I mean, I just feel like that's the basic rule of feet on the internet.
Not wrong.
Whenever someone puts up a photo with free feet, I'm like, dude, you could have made money off of this. Like, crazy. We have Murdered Bronzebeard, another Murdered Bronzebeard. We have Junkrash, Ultimate Ready. Garrosh, Hellscream, Thrall, and Veljin, Darkspear. I asked for a foot break and he said he'd probably be able to do it. Why?
I can't believe this is the one that makes me the most uncomfortable on
I
Voice
just,
House. Yeah, wow.
No, it's like foot cam is one thing. Opening cards with feet is like a whole nother thing.
I think if I hear that word one more time, I'll pass out. So that's wonderful.
Feet?
Mm.
We have Arthur's Menethil, Soldier 76. We have a Gom Silver, Andean Rin, Asmodin, and Varian Rin.
Oh,
I just put toe spaces. Wait, do you mean like... Do you mean like the ones that you use when you go and get a pedicure, or like the ones that you use when you're dancing? We have Lost Vikings, Widowmaker. We have a BlizzCon from 2005. There's a Siege Tank, Butcher, and Grimash Hellscream. They're comfy. Google it, silicone ones. They make your toes look like fingers. I understand that toe spaces exist. I'm asking what type.
I wouldn't know such thing.
Because you can get foam ones that you use if you're getting a pedicure that they like give you if you go do that. Not that I've ever done that, but I don't know, it's a thing. We have Baptiste, Arthur's Menethil, Tyrael Cube, Lunara. I think that's who we got a numbered one of. Maybe not. Sarah Kerrigan and Mephisto. But like I used to have some when I did ballet and I was wearing point shoes. Because you have to do it, yeah, the way that, because your whole weight is like literally on your tippy toes. Depending on how your bones are structured, sometimes you need them to make sure you don't get like permanent bone damage. So yeah, I had some when I danced, but you know, it wasn't really for comfort, it was for safety. We have Raynor, Murky, we have a Cube Butcher, Malfurion Stormrage, Lilith, and Thrall. These you wear, oh, walking around, okay. Just like normal shoe comf. We have Tyrael, Medivh. We have a Moira Ultimate Ready. I don't think I've seen a Moira card yet. We have Lady Vashi, SCV, and Uther Lightbringer. And also, I don't think we need to see feet pics on the screen. Again, if feet pics are being shown, someone needs to pay up. We have Muradin Bronzebeard, Brigitte, BlizzCon from 2013, Adria, Grimash Hellscream, and Nova Terra. Rexa, Kellis Sunstrider. We have a cube of Diablo, Oriel, Banshee, and Illyria Windrunner. We have Malfurion Stormrage, Illyria Windrunner, a cube of Diablo, Gul'dan, Rakanoth, and Adria. And Elias is Lunara, Tyrande Whisperwind, Wrecking Ball Ultimate Ready, Cassia, Jaina Proudmoore, and Egwene.